The high-speed direct-drive power turret, developed by the Precision Machinery R&D Center, is a key component for precision machining in medical, semiconductor, and aerospace sectors. Its speed increased from 6,000 to 12,000 RPM, boosting efficiency by about 20%. For medical valve parts, output can grow from 7,500 to over 9,000 per month, meeting small batch, high-mix demands. The compact design shortens turret length by around 27%, increasing workspace efficiency and supporting ESG-oriented green manufacturing. With high-end performance and specs comparable to global brands, it cuts production costs by up to 40%, helping machine tool makers boost lathe and mill turn competitiveness. Annual production may rise by 160 units, creating nearly 100 million new Taiwan dollars in added value.